My name's Ryan Park with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas. And today I'm going to show you how to reset a circuit breaker. If you're laying around the house and the lights go out for any reason, the first thing you want to do is you want to get up and turn the light switch back on and see if the light comes back on. If it doesn't, however, and there are more than one light out in the room, you probably have a tripped circuit breaker. So what you want to do is you want to get up from the couch and you want to walk in the other room where your breaker box is. They usually don't put this they usually don't put these panels out in the open. They want to put them in inconspicuous areas because they're not very pretty. So you'll probably find them in a closet, a basement, or a garage. So what you want to do is you want to walk and find your breaker box, which looks like this. And you want to go over to it and you want to open it up, and it'll actually have some breakers inside like this. A lot of times they have the breaker labeled for what room it goes to over here. But what you can do is you can look at your breakers and go down the list until you find one that's flipped in the off position. And then what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure it turns all the way off and then back on. Then you go back into the room, you can turn the light switch on, and hopefully your lights will work. If you need any other help, you can come see me at www.parkerhomerenovations.com.